De Ferrari Square, Piazza de Ferrari, in Genoa is a lively centerpiece that blends history, architecture, and urban energy. Surrounded by elegant 19th-century buildings, the square hosts a grand fountain at its heart and serves as a gateway to the old port and the busy shopping streets. Its central tram lines and traffic carve a dynamic rhythm through the space, inviting locals and visitors to stop, sip an espresso, or simply admire the harmonious mix of neoclassical facades and modern city life. In every season, the square feels like a microcosm of Genoa's character, timeless, bustling, and welcoming.